The Dow Jones snapped a 3-week losing streak Friday, finally closing in the positive. The S&P and Nasdaq also closed in the positive this past Friday. Tech and chip stocks boosted the overall tech sector more than 2%, while a number of stocks passed key buy points. Things are looking real favorable in the market, but the Fed is here to change that. For more on this, stay tuned. Welcome to Money Talk Sundays. I'm your host, Stevie B. For those tuning in via your favorite streaming platform, hit that like and share button. You can also subscribe to the Money Talk Sundays podcast via your favorite podcast streaming platforms. The link will be in the description box. For those viewing on YouTube, like, share, and subscribe. You can even hit that notification bell to receive alerts of new videos dropping. And they drop every week, barring any unforeseen circumstances. Let's move on. Now, like I mentioned at the beginning, the Dow Jones snapped a 3-week losing streak to surge back into the positive. Even though its resurgence lagged behind the other major indexes, it still rose almost 400 points. A major contributing factor is Apple closing in on the key 50-day moving average after gaining 1.9%. Another shining star for the Dow was Salesforce, ticker symbol CRM, rising 3.6%, and Caterpillar, CAT, also impressed as it gained 3.5%. But don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted at all. We are in a bear market. We are in recession territory. We have a long way back to bull market, and what we are witnessing is the invariable bounces to the bottom. I say bottom because the Fed has all but declared war on inflation and is not backing down regardless of market conditions. Fed Chair Jerome Powell said on Thursday, history cautions strongly against prematurely loosening policy. So I can assure you that my colleagues and I are strongly committed to this project, and we will keep at it until the job is done. His comments echoed Fed Vice Chair Leo Brainerd's, who spoke at a banking policy conference in New York on Wednesday, saying it is especially important to guard against the risk that households and businesses could start to expect inflation to remain above 2% in the longer run. Now, one by one, officials acknowledged the economic and market pain their hiking policy could inflict, and then reiterated that for the time being, they would keep on with their aggressive regime to fight pervasively high inflation rates. Now, certain key factors do indicate that the Fed is taking steps in the right direction. Core and headline inflation were softer in July, commodity prices are falling, the dollar is presumably strong, and supply chain kinks are improving, so they're working out those kinks. The labor market is showing early signs of cooling off, and GDP growth is also slowing. But it's not over yet, and the Fed is quick to remind that taming inflation has not been as uniform or as rapid as they would like. So with all this in mind, the market is going to continue to bounce up and down, and with the Fed's latest announcement to proceed with their rate hike this month, expect knee-jerk reactions from the market. Now, we are in prime buying territory, ladies and gentlemen. We could be in this bear market for the next 6 months to a year, maybe more, before the next bull run. Don't you want to be in position to capitalize when that happens? Stack your chips now. Load up on the stocks, consolidate. You have time. Even if it's a weekly or bi-weekly or even a monthly automatic deduction from your bank account, like I have set up for certain crypto assets and certain stock commodities, just go ahead, get a little weekly or bi-weekly deduction going and build it up, because a little bit will go a long way over time. Now, let's get it. That's all we can do, because we are in a bear market. There's no get-rich-quick scheme that's going to happen this year or for the rest of this year or in this bear market. You're just going to have to go ahead and consolidate, build your positions while the price is low, while the prices continue to drop. Build your positions, build. So when that next bull market comes, when that bull rally comes, you are in prime real estate to capitalize, win, and sell off. I'm your host, Stevie B. This has been Money Talk Sundays. Happy trading. And for all the patriots here in the United States of America, It's 9/11. Never forget. Peace.